Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type here services, then click here to open it. Now on this window, we need to find out sysmin and right click on it, select the properties. Now we need to stop this service. After that, disable the startup type and click on apply and then OK. Now do the same process for the second services also. Right click on it, select properties, then stop the services and set disabled. Click on apply and simply save the changes. Once done, close this window and move to the next step. Open File Explorer, then right click on C drive, open its properties. Now click on Tools tab. From here, select the Optimize and click on Change the setup. Check this option, click on OK and close all windows one by one. Once done, move to the next step, and this is the last step. Go to search bar, type here Task Manager, then click here to open it. Now select Run New Task option, then click on Browse button. From the left side, select this PC and open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now search for System32 folder and double click on it to open it. Then find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now this will be our path, and check this box and click on OK. Now this will open a new command prompt window. Now type these two commands very carefully to fix this issue. Type in sfc space /scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter to execute this command. Once done, move to the next command, that is sfc space /verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll. Once done, restart your system and your problem will be solved.